What's up?
¿Qué onda? Todos. Saludos. What's up? Hi. How's everybody doing? Gracias por venir y dar un poco de tiempo a nuestro video. Thank you for giving a little bit of time on this. So we're gonna go ahead and review the good stuff. Go for it. Where's that? As you can see, got a bunch of figures right here. Tenemos varias figuras, so
That we're gonna open.
we're gonna review little by little. So far we start with something that just came in today. All right, let's get to it. All right, so today we got the box.
Yeah. Let's open it.
Shinobu. All that came included? Oh yes. And here we got the box. The seals. Age restrictions. With her gorgeous different poses. Aniplex, Shinobu. Time to open her up.
Let's go.
And here we go. Opening up the baby. Oh, hit the camera. Accidentally. Comes the beauty. Viene la bebé. Oh. Even in her own little package, todo empacado. This is what the boo-boo all comes with. Oh, más complicado. Oh, I'm gonna try to take this down. Oh, there's more tape. Tape all over the place. Keep her nice and sealed. That's what she comes with. A little pillow where they sit, some extra legs, unas piernas extras,
Put it there.
kimono, and here we got Shinobu in her nice little packaging. Nice, articulated, inarticulada. Her katanas están muy frágiles. They're really fragile, so be careful. Pair of hands. Her nice cute little kimono. Ese kimono está bien planchado. Nice and ironed, nice and creased. Her faces. Got her little happy expression. Caras intercambiables. Comes with some effects. Para que lo vean mejor, so you guys can see them better. Ladies and gentlemen, famous pillow, and oh no!
You ain't never did nothing to nobody.
That was bad.
Smells good.
Her interchangeable legs, so that you could do the pose on the pillow.
Use a pillar.
See? Buzzmod did a great job. Genial. So let's see how she looks all set up and built. No?
Yeah.
Let's get it. And that was everything from the beautiful Shinobu Kocho.
How you like it? We're gonna do more later. Well,
Yes, we're gonna do more later in the future. This is how it comes. Así es como vienen todos los accesorios out of the box. Shoutouts, muchas gracias to Otaku Urbe Store. Find them on Facebook. Gracias por tu compra. Thank you very much. That's where I picked up this figure. De allí compré esta figura. Veracruz, México. Envío. You already know. Y pues de nuevo, thank you very much for joining us here. And hope that you enjoyed it.
yeah.
Take into consideration subscribing, liking, sharing. And again, thank you.
Goodbye.
Bye. Hasta luego.
Peace.
Alright everybody, bueno, muchas gracias. Thank you very much for joining us for this little mini review. Not the
Shinobu?
best, the Shinobu Kocho. If you haven't copped any of the Buzzmods so far that came out, I would recommend go buy them. Recomiendo 100%. Y, bueno, yo solamente he comprado el Inosuke. Sino el Inosuke, tenemos la preventa de Akaza, so we got that that pre-sale of Akaza, Uzui.
So he's gonna be sick.
Uzui's gonna be sick. I heard they modified the muscle mass and the height, so I think that's badass. And we're gonna find out what this is all about.
I think they're stickers.
I don't know what it is, honestly. I didn't even look it up. So we'll go ahead and check it out. Go ahead, do the honor, sir. What is it? Show.
Look, it's this.
Right here. And pieces of gum. DemonSlayer gum. I don't know if I should eat it. ¿Qué tal si nos convertimos a demons? What if we convert into demons?
Oh, look.
So they're just,
Can take them out.
oh, it's just one. It's like a magnet or something. I'm not sure what it is. But it's the boy. Yeah. Well, that's it for today. Thank you very much. Show them the Boken. Mess over here with Sabito. This is the wrong way. Alright, then again, muchas gracias. Thank you. Deuces.